A very respected morning to our respected judges, honorable teachers and my friend. I am Mr. Shwitra Tripathi. I am standing here not only as my team's captain but also to represent a voice that is something far behind the human understanding. A divine energy, the God, is not only seen but can also be felt in our every heartbeat. The science is something or a subject or like a tool that tells us that how things happen. But the God, our faith in God and divine energy tell us that why it exists and how it came. Thank you. I have completed. Now my team members will tell about this topic. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Mitesh Dubey. Firstly, I would like to suggest you that science cannot directly prove or deny the existence of God. I am not saying it, it is not my opinion, but it is argument of the science expert, National Academy of the Science, as that science do not have a process to prove or disprove the existence of God. Thank you.
A very lovely morning to each and everyone. This is Artik Misra from class 10. Today I am present here with a very interesting topic, God. God is the creator of the whole universe, but there is many people who have no faith on God. Today I have to explain them about God.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shadi Usta. Today I am present here to talk about a lovely topic, God. God is the creator of this world. It is present everywhere and we cannot see it.
Now we have given our perception on our topic, that is God, how it exists, and God doesn't need any proven. Now I request the next team member to please represent their topics.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, teachers and my dear friend. This is Vanshika Jaswal from class 10 and I am honored to stand here as the captain of my team for today's debate competition, and our topic is science. We hope our presentation encourages to people to think about the relationship between God and science. At last, I want to say that science is believe in proof, experiment in result that give us trustworthy and reliable result. Thank you. Now I would like to invite my team members to explain about our topic.
Good morning everyone. I am Ishka Kesri from class 10 and today I am going to tell about science. And science provides immense transforming and human civilization by making life easier and expectation.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, honorable teachers and our worthy opponent team. I am Vidhi from class 10. Today I am standing here on the side of science, not because I disrespect faith, but because I have believed that the greatest gift we have is to question, to know and to progress. Science does not claims to answer everything, but it dares to ask. It gave us vaccines instead of prayers for the sick. It gives us satellites instead of the myths of stars, and it gives us the law of nature instead of the fear of the unknowns. So, in the next 3 minutes, me and my team members will explain about the science, but with their evidences, reasons, and many proofs and logics that the science is one of the greatest reliable guide for humanity's futures. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Bhakti Gupta and I am on the side of science. Science is not just important, it is the foundation of modern life and the key to the progress of human culture. Thank you.
So now I am going to tell you something about science. Science is one of the humanity's greatest achievement. It transformed the world by giving us technology, experiments and communication, transportation, etc. The diseases that took once millions of lives can now be treated because of science. Science is just not only for result and explanation, but it also gives proofs that the faith in God cannot be proven. Thank you.
As our opponent say that the science can be proven, but our faith in God or our God can't be proven. So it is not true. Because before the discovery of gravity, it doesn't mean that gravity is not exist. Gravity exists, same as in the case of God. If they are not able to proven our God, or if they are not still proven, it doesn't mean that God does not exist. Thank you.
I agree with her statement, and now I would like to ask a question that is against God. Okay, doesn't it strange that many people born with disability if God created their lives?
Yes, I agree with your question. Many people in our country, every fourth people in our whole world is disabled, just because they have a special power rather than their disabilities. Like if you have a problem of eye contact, then you are better in your hearings. This is the things that was fairness provided by our God to us. Thank you.
But it creates many complications in their life.
No, because God had provided a special or more type of special power to them. As I given the example to you for the better understanding.
Okay, as you say that God provides them special power, but I want to say that their complication can be reduced by science. The hearing aid, you heard about hearing aid, that is for deaf people.
Yes.
They help, the hearing aid help the deaf people to hear the world noises.
Yes, I agree with your science and your technologies that was evolved with the time. But I want to put my statement here, like if you provide some equipments to them to give them those things that was taken away from by the God, this make them to weaken the power that was extra given by the God, like the special power that was given by the God to them.
But in the present world, this is very complicated for all the disabled people to.
No, I have already told you that there was some special power that was given by the God, then they can cooperate and neutral them.
But science can also treat them by giving the very various things like hearing aid. And
I also told you.
Science also improve the eyesight of many people that cannot be seen.
Yes, I also give you a statement on this topic. Like if you provide eyes to them, then they will lose the power of ability of their hands. Like they will learn the Braille language by their hands, they will lose that power. So God always be fair to everyone. They gave equal opportunities and every equal things to everyone.
But what about, let's take an example. If a blind person wants to cross the road, then how can he cross the road? Because
they can be there are many good peoples in our country, in our whole world. They will help them, and rather than the good peoples, they can also use their sticks, they can also use their pet peoples like dogs that are very sensitive and do these jobs as per the careness of the deaf people and blind peoples, and they can also use their sense organs to see and hear the horns. And as you said that your science had also made in something to,
and it is also depend upon his karma, you understand? That in Hindu religion, you are saying many people are disabled, but they are get his karma. In Hindu religion, there is a word of name as karma.
Okay.
They get his
the back of their karma.
Okay, now I would like to ask a question from you. You have before said that we can use many equipments to cure the diseases. Are you agree with?
Yes.
Okay. So the equipments are fully based on science, Then what is the role of God in this?
I have already explained that your equipment make the people weak. The God had already given some special power. You make them weak on that state, on that topic, on that point of view. Like if let's take example, a person A who is disabled by their leg, then people give their body power, like they are fit by their upper body to walk and do their work with their hands. But if you give them artificial leg with the help of equipment or the science technology, they will lose their power of their hands, which was already given by the God. So the God was present everywhere. So you can't say that your science can replace the God.
Okay.
Now I want to ask a question. Are you heard about something like negative energies like Nazar or something like Tantra and Mantra Vidyas or educations? Yes, then if you are agree with the negative energy, then there is also a positive energy which we call divine energy, and that is actually God. and we don't need to prove them. There are many things that can be proved to God, because God is not topic to be proven. They are topic to be feel in our
Give us
but
proof of negative energies.
huh?
Give us proof of negative energies.
Negative energies, like you have ever feel that you become actually a very ill, that was because of the negative
How can
energy.
you know that the illness is caused by the negative energy?
Just because you don't have eaten or doing something bad with your body or routines, that and you suddenly get ill.
No, this is not because this can be happened by your
I want to ask a question about your statement. You say that the people get ill because of negative energy.
No,
What you say then?
I will say that something like of negative energy. I just asked to you that do you know about the negative energy? I just use the negative energy to prove in the positive energy as like a opposite proof.
Okay, in old time.
And you are saying that people fall ill by the negative energy. That is only possible.
That I'm not saying that. She is saying that.
I am just taking an example to explain you guys.
So you are
She is
saying
saying right, because the negative energy, if we follow the negative energy, then we fall in. Some positive energy have some goods or products or the process by which we are not falling in. Like
There are many.
Binding the raksha on our hand and
Okay, so I are saying that binding raksha on our head can treat any disease. So why does people come to doctor instead of praying?
can you repeat your question?
So you are saying that if we bind a raksha on our wrist, why do people come to doctor instead of praying to God? Why they have to come to doctor?
Okay, I can explain your question very easily because it is a type of simple question. Let's take an example. You have listened in the village area like why people marry with the Narayan Murtis or like of trees before their actual or real marriage. Have you listened this?
Yes.
Listen this. Why this has happened? Can you give me a statement?
This is a type of superstition.
No, this is not a type of superstition. There are many examples. There are many examples in which the people get broken that superstition and do the real process without that small process. Then their husband or groom get died. This is a proper or real cases. That was not a superstition. It is a real.
Okay, I agree with your statement. I would like to ask a question.
Now it's my turn.
Okay, you can ask.
Do you know about Himachal, sir?
Yeah.
There is a line, Jug Sahastra Jojan Prabhanu Lilyo Tahi Madur,
Okay.
which means Yug means 12,000 years. Sahastra means 1,000 and Yojan means 8 miles. When we multiply these, we get 9 crore 60 lakh miles. This is the exact distance from our Earth to Sun.
Okay,
This is the proof of the existence of the God. And second proof is that when the Rama birth Kumli is put it on the NASA planetarium, the dates come out about the 7114 something BC. It is also proof that Rama exists that time.
And I also want to put in one or two or more examples. Like you had also listened about the Ram Setu. Their stone age was also the same as of the birth of the or the era of the Lord Rama. This is the best and the most proven evidence of the existence of the
And
gods.
you are saying some opticals of the science, but you tell me that without science or without mathematics you can make any type of opticals here?
can you repeat your question?
How you can make opticals without using mathematics and the science?
How you can solve any obstacle without using math or science? He want to ask that.
Science is the answer of everything. We can solve anything with science. Just like in case of diseases, many diseases.
But your science come from the religious text.
No,
No, that's not. Okay.
Ayurvedic medical, it is
Okay.
globally accepted has a
Okay,
structure.
tell me who have written the Hanuman Chalisa.
Tulsidas.
Tulsidas is a human, a man.
Yes, human, but he wrote that on the evidence of the God. He wrote it on the evidence of the God.
First you listen to full
Do you know how he
statement.
knew that this
Can
text
she complete her statement?
Yes, why not?
The Hanuman Chalisa is written by a man. So this proves that science exists at that time also.
I am also human. I am stand here to prove the existence of the God. It doesn't mean that I am science or I'm proving the science existence
You are
of
saying
science.
that in the Hanuman Chalisa the distance of earth and sun is written, so this proves that God exists. And
Just because he is just writing as he's sown. He's sown the things that was happened with the help of Hanumanji and the Lord Rama. He's just writing the cases of by seeing them, not by themselves. This is not a story. This was a proven and real case.
What is the proof that
Written
but
resources.
he can also write his imagination on this textbook?
Do you know about that time when the Tulsidas become very ill by writing the Ramcharitamanas? Do you know that case?
Yes.
At that time, the Hanumanji came and gave him his own opinion to write a Hanuman Bahuk. It is a type of things that was written on the Hanumanji, in which he become very whereas he was very ill. So these are the real evidence.
I ask a question. If prayer,
Okay, as you say that, what is
This
the
is only a coiling of the what you have said. Who was writing the book?
Tulsidas.
Those person who was get killed. Sorry.
Tulsidas.
So Hanumanji has given has coiled him in a puzzle so that he remove her understanding from the illness, and we know that.
No, that was not the things. The mantras is not just about the reading and understanding them. They breaks our nervous system. They motivates our nervous system to become powerful and become good.
Okay, as you say that Hanumanji cured Tulsidas. So what is the proof behind this the Hanumanji?
The writing of Hanuman Bahuk. Why Hanuman Bahuk become? How Hanuman Bahuk made? This is the main and
There is no real evidence about that.
written resources. What can be the most important resources rather than written resources?
No, anything is written, so you.
Yes, our constitution is also written. Then how can you say that our constitution was written by
because
just
our constitution is written. There was a video about the written of constitution.
where? At that time there was no camera in the India. At that time.
And many people was there when the constitution was written. Okay, many state people was also there.
Our whole, what is the population of our India? 150 crores.
Yeah.
15 crore or more than 149 crore people believes in God. Then how can you say that no one is there? What is this?
Because the people
We are
believe
not
on.
saying God don't believe in God. We are saying that God is not everything. Science has a place in this.
I am not also saying God is everything, but God is present everything and everything is because of God.
Are you taking medicine?
This is not.
Now then.
Yes.
Yes. At my grandfather time, there was no medicine for that he take, and he never fall ill because they apply some the ideas of